Good morning, everybody. Let's get started. So today is 22nd of October, 2024. We don't really have a high impact news today. We only have one high impact news of pounds by 2:25 p.m., which the governor of England, Governor of Bank of England will talk. And on 3 p.m., we are just having a middle impact news where FOMC members, Haka and Hailey will also talk about one or two things on their about their economy. So 8:15 p.m. also, European Central Bank president will also talk. Okay, so today we don't usually have news that has data. Also, we are having BRIC Summit. So BRIC Summit, we have Brazil, Russia, India, and China, South Africa Summit, which they are also trying to it's like a summit against US dollar, and all that. So this summit also, they have the tendency of moving the market. They have the tendency of also moving the market and all. Okay, so since we don't have any impact news, let's go to our chart to see what is happening technically in the market. Can you all see my chart? Hello, can you all see
Yes.
my chart?
Yes, yes, I
Yes,
can
we
Yes,
can
see.
see
yes,
it very
yes,
well. Good
yes.
morning.
Okay, that's great. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay,
Good morning, and to
Good
everyone.
morning, sir. Good morning.
so we've been looking towards, dollar. Dollar has gained strength for the past few weeks, which we are also looking towards 1 or 2 points where we can have market retracement. But the thing is, with what I discovered, hopefully the US election is next week, Friday, I guess, which is 4th of November, next week Friday. Okay. Oh, next 2 weeks Monday, which is November 4th to 5th. And the way it is going, we don't know, but we are seeing I tend to see probably Donald Trump winning the election. So if Trump wins the election, dollar will become much more stronger. Because if Trump wins the election, due to Trump's policy, dollar will become much more stronger. But if Kamala Harris wins the election, then we might have more dip or more fall for dollar because dollar has moved so well without a proper retracement, which I'm also anticipating a proper retracement, for US dollar, and it has not happened. And yesterday, candle rejected this support zone. There's a strong rejection at this yesterday candle, this level, there's a strong rejection at this level for dollar, right? So there's a strong rejection at this level. But then we cannot also use that to determine what will happen today because this movement shows a very strong bullish sentiment for USDX. But then price has gotten to a very strong resistance also. We have support level, also price at support level inside this supply zone where we have this massive drop. So we look towards probably some sellers coming into the market for USDX, which I will be looking towards some very probably bearish sentiment for dollar. We're looking towards some bearish sentiment for dollar. Yeah, we're looking towards some bearish sentiment for dollar. Probably for as a reversal or probably a retracement. Because in 15 minutes time frame, lower time frame, we've seen price pulling down. Even though it's going to be a retracement, we could also take a tangible entry for USDX. So let's look at some pairs to see if there are possible movements or possible signal for this morning. The first pair I'll look out for is USD CHF. Oh, sorry, don't mind my screen. So USD CHF on a weekly time frame, we are currently at this resistance, right? I mean, here we are currently at this resistance and we had the rejection of that level. And on daily time frame, for daily, also, we are also at this zone. So market has been ranging for days at this supply zone, this resistance level has been ranging for days at that resistance level. So 4 hours time frame as well, seeing some bearish pattern at this SNR level, which if price could break this support level, I am going to have much more confirmation for a proper sell. So what I'm going to give this morning, I'm going to give buy stop order, sell stop order for USD CHF. A sell stop order for USD CHF because once price breaks this last low, then we have a proper retracement, then we sell. Okay, so we have price from a lower high but could not break this low, this previous low. I'm coming, let me annotate. Could not break this previous low, right? So price forms a lower high, rejecting this level. Then we need price to come down, break this low, then retrace before we have a proper sell. Okay, and don't forget this is also another zone that needs to be taken cognizance of, because this is a demand level and price breaks this high, but then this low could not break this high. So making us look towards a proper bearish sentiment for USD CHF. So this morning I'll be looking towards a short sell to buy scenario for USD CHF. Also, we have something like this. We have price reject this level, and we have an engulfing bearish sell here. So we could also on lower time frame wait for a proper retracement before selling, or let's see if we can sell outrightly. So from here, if you're going to sell our coin market price, okay, so we can take this sell, which is 15 minutes. Okay, then put our TP here, TP1. TP2. So we can sell USD CHF at current market price. Our current market price, SL 0.863638, TP1 0.86352, TP2 0.86119. Okay, so that's it. That's the first signal for USD CHF. I want to write it, say that our funded client group. Okay, so USDCHF sell at CMP SL 0.86638 TP1 0.86352 TP2 0.86119. Okay, so I've dropped that in our funded client group. Please stop asking time frame. The time frame is the trade is just relative for everybody. So stop asking time frame. Okay, so let's continue. You can see price is approaching the TP1. Price is approaching the TP1. So let's continue. Let's go to USD card. USD card. USD card. Okay, so for USD card, I have said I've been looking forward to the sale since yesterday. And looking at USD card, we also have the same scenario. In fact, USD card has started falling outrightly. USD card has started falling outrightly. 4 hours candle has shown us, and the next support is also here, right? So USD card also bearish, but the entrance is far, right? We've gone far for the entrance. I would like to wait for a proper retracement till around this zone before I sell. Okay, so USD card, we are also bearish on USD card, but there is no entry. There's no entry for USD card. Okay, but if you want to enter, if you still want to enter, if you still want to enter USD card, so if you still want to enter USD card, you can still enter USD card, but just know that your stop loss is going to be high, right? So your stop loss is going to be from here, say 10, 15 pips. It's not bad, but we are approaching this support zone. So let's leave USD card. Let's leave USD card. Okay, so let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD has started buying. I actually saw the buy, but I'm not trusting that buy. So we could have a short buy. We could have a short buy for Euro USD. We have a rejection, so we could also take a short buy for Euro USD. Let's see. Okay, stop loss is about 12 pips, then TP, let's see 18 to 19 pips. So stop loss, let's take this stop loss here, 12 pips. TP, you could take here. Let's look at 4 hours time frame. We also need to be very, very careful. Okay. Mm. I mean, we are still in this zone on Euro USD for daily time frame. We are still in this zone for Euro USD on daily time frame. And hopefully we could have much strength for buyers to come in. Hopefully we could have more strength for buyers to come in. So we wait. Let's wait for further instructions for Euro USD, but we could take a short buy if you want to. You can take a short buy, but this is not that clearing. So let's look at GBP USD to see if you have another entry for GBP USD. Well, my software has given a buy signal for GBP USD, so let's look at one or um let's look at one or two scenarios for that. So for a buy signal on GBP USD, the trend is still bearish. The trend is still bearish, right? Okay, so we have an hidden SNR here and daily time. Looking at daily time frame, this is a divergence move. This is a divergence move. So daily time frame, 4 hour. I'm seeing bullishness. I'm seeing strength of buyers in this level because we have a double bottom formed in a strong resistance zone, 1 hour time frame. We have strength of buyers coming in. Well, what I would love to say is that I would love to see from here a short retracement because price needs to break this high before we buy. But then, if you still want to take a buy, you can take a short buy. I mean, you can take a short buy on GBP USD. You can take a short buy. We have a break of structure, retest to this resistance, and price boom to the upside. We are heading down to this level. So we wait for further confirmation. We are too late to enter into this market because price is already at a strong resistance. So we are too late to enter into that market. The price is already at a very, very strong resistance. And if we have to take it by, it's going to take us 17 pips. What if the retracement comes back to this box? So that's why I said we also have to wait for GBP USD. We've given a signal for Euro USD, I mean for USCHF. Let's see how it goes. Also on USD card, we are bearish on USD card. We need just need a proper retracement. And let's look at gold this morning. Let's look at gold. And please, you can also send your request if you want us to help you look at one or two pairs that you've been trading and that has been giving you, okay, Euro SZD, no problem. Gold. Mhm. Well, gold is still bullish. Like I said, I'm seeing gold to 3,000 this year. Hopefully it will get there. I'm seeing gold up to 3,000 this year. Hopefully it will get there. Okay. Hopefully gold will get to 3,000. So we are still bullish. Whatever we are doing, let's try and buy gold. Whatever we are doing, because a whole lot is happening around the space. So gold is still very, very bullish due to the war happening around, um, due to the war happening around. So gold is very, very bullish. Okay, so we have a rejection. I'll be very bullish on gold, so I'll just wait for any form of retracement before I buy. I can't just tell us to buy gold now, because it will be too late to buy gold. It will be too late to buy gold. So we wait for a proper retracement or a break of this supply zone before we sell. If I'm to enter gold, I would say we should take a short sale on gold. If I'm to enter it, I would say we should take a short sale on gold, right? So let's hold on to see what will happen. Probably we could take a short sale down to this level. Let's see. A short sale. Let's see. How many pips? 45 pips, 23 pips. I mean, you can take the risk if you want to, but I didn't see a proper entry. So you could take a short sale because you have a rejection of the supply zone down to this level. If I'm to drop this signal, if I'm to drop this signal, then it means that we are going to use a very small lot size. Okay, so small lot size, gold, small lot size. Sell now, CP1, 2728. SL, 2736.70. Okay, so we take a smaller size. Let's see how gold will go. Okay, somebody said Euro NZD. So we look at Euro NZD and GBP CHF, then round up for the day. USD, we are currently at, if you have a break of structure, so you are currently at resistance. I'm hoping for price retracement down to this zone, so we could take a sell down to that level. 4 hours time frame, we have price break this low, retrace down to this high, and we're open for more sales. So I'll wait for a proper retracement also. Euro SZD is at this support zone. And please, you can remember, we do not forget the rules, sell high before we take a sell. So where are we going to sell? So we look at price, we change this high and this low. So a retracement between that high and that low will give us good entry. Retracement between that high and that low will give us good entry. So where are we going to sell? Still look further, probably look at the equilibrium point. Let's see. Okay, so I've gotten one, which is the first zone, because this is a key level. This is an equilibrium point here. Also, we also have another here, this level also, and we have another here. So these are the equilibrium points where I will look forward for a proper sell. So we wait for a retracement before we pick a sell on Euro NZD. So we are bearish, wait for a retracement before we sell Euro NZD. And the last one, somebody said GBP CHF. For GBP CHF, I've not seen anything glaring around here, but what I just see is probably wait for a proper retracement. I didn't see any important glaring structure here. We really have price rejection at this SNR. And probably if we have a rejection again, we can take a sell and take our first TP here, right? So let's see. Your stop loss is going to be 13 pips, TP is going to be 15 pips. You can take that sell once price close. Oh, that's great. It's glaring now. Um, a short sell down to 1.2321 will not be a bad idea because we have rejection at this SNR level multiple times. So selling GPCHF down to 1.12321 is not going to be a bad idea for sellers to come in. So you allow this 15 minutes candle closes bearish. Once it closes bearish, then you take a short sell. That is that this morning for the morning analysis. Today is our beginners class. You can also come to our physical office at number 50 in Abuja here, number 50 Ebitu Kiwe Street, Mogakone Building, Jabi, to join our physical class. Also in Lagos at Agos Plaza, number 54B, Adeni Jones, Ikeja, also. To join our beginners class as well, as we have expert traders that are on ground to put us through and help us in our trading journey. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading day. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.